behind the fact that people who smoke have a lot more cancer than people who don't, but it may be that people who smoke have these other behaviors in common, and so these variables are called confounding variables. Okay, so that is the problem with observational studies. Now, it is possible, even within this observational study framework, to use what are called controls. So we could try to control for these variables, coffee drinking, alcohol consumption, and so on, meaning we could make sure to have equal numbers in both groups. That is, for example, we could have the same number of high coffee consumption in our smoking group and our non-smoking group. We say we are controlling for coffee, or we could do the same thing for alcohol and say we're controlling for alcohol. So what would that do? Then, if we still see a higher incidence of cancer in the smoking group, we can say that it wasn't due to the higher coffee because they both had the same amount of coffee drinking, the smoking group and the non-smoking group. And the same thing we could say with alcohol consumption. We could do the same thing with lack of exercise. But can we really think of every possible confounding variable? You know, we identified a few here, like drinking coffee or alcohol consumption and so on, but it's impossible to think of every possible confounding variable. So, no, we can't do that. But there is another approach, and it's called doing a controlled experiment.